A surge in energy and power demands is driving the need for expansion in power distribution, renewable energy integration, and industrial infrastructure. This requires more innovative interconnect solutions that provide reliable and rapid connections to various existing and new wire types and sizes. WAGO energy and power connection automation solutions provide reliable, long-term connectors and terminal blocks. These enable fast and tool-free installation of a wide range of wire types and sizes in energy and power applications. WAGO Lever Nuts 221 Series Compact Splicing Connectors accept solid, stranded, and flexible copper wire types in a large range of sizes without the use of tools. 2 test slots in the 100% transparent housing provides visual confirmation with convenient positive contact points for standard test probes. The WAGO 207 series introduces IPX8 certified Gelbox models for reliable protection against moisture and water ingress when applied to WAGO 221 and 2773 series splicing connectors. All silicone-free Gelbox models are suitable for low voltage when used with an additional housing and are reliable in all segments of industry. WAGO Top Job S power distribution terminal blocks offer extremely compact 9mm DIN rail mount terminals with 6 14-gauge outputs. Their push-in cage clamp technology accepts ferruled and solid conductors for simplified connections. A high-visibility orange push button gives a clear indication for tool placement, and an open tool slot holds the actuation tool in place, enabling fast and effortless wiring. WAGO 2601 series of PCB terminal blocks are compact, tool-free terminal blocks for fast and simple wiring with a 90-degree angle lever action. The 2601 series allows horizontal and vertical connection to the PCB with a 3.5mm pin spacing. Learn more at Heilind.com.